guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go over some makeup brushes that I bought online that finally came in the mail. Remember I told you that I bought a few things online and it took a while to get here? Well, one of those things were the makeup brushes as well as this. I bought this mirror that I told you guys I was waiting for like 6 weeks, and it finally came in. Little disappointed, like I thought it would be a lot heavier, but it's really plasticky and really light. So yeah, I'm not happy with it, but it's a nice color and I can see to do my makeup. So I'll be using that probably in a few days when I do my makeup. So this is the brush kit that I got in the mail. It's called Sigma Premium Kit, and it has 15 brushes included. Now I read when I look up brushes and stuff online that out of 5 stars this is a 4.8. A lot of people like these brushes and say they're the best that they've ever used. So I thought, well, it is a bit pricey, but I got quite a bit off of it, so I was able to get them, and I was waiting for a while to get them because they go on sale off and on, and I just had to wait because when I first looked at them they weren't on sale, and I thought, I'm not gonna buy them if they're not on sale. And then maybe 5 weeks later, 4 weeks later, they went on sale again. So I don't know how often they go on sale, but I thought I'll snatch it up before it goes off sale again, because it only stays on sale maybe for a few days and then they'll go on something else. And yes, I still use my Makeup by Mario brushes. I'm just trying to get rid of my older brushes that I don't use anymore and then replace them with some good sturdy brushes. So yeah, very happy about that. So again, it's Sigma, the Premium Kit. And as I open it, I was going to open it with you, so I'm going to do that now. Comes in a nice, I don't know if it's fall leather, but it's a nice bag to carry them in. And because they're expensive, it's good to have something to carry them in if you're traveling or whatever. Maybe I'll just keep them in here. I don't know yet. So I'm zipping it. And then first unzip it, you see this. And they're all individually wrapped. And I'll get 1 or 2 out soon. I think it's basically lip, face, and eye brushes. So, and it feels heavy, like I'm gonna get a few out here in a minute. So that's the 15. And let's just get the first one out here. It's probably a powder brush. I can't, okay. All right. See, so it's wrapped like this, and we'll open it up. Ooh, very soft. There you go. And all the brushes are numbered. So this one is a large powder brush, and very nice. The chrome here. It's not the heaviest weight, but it's a good weight. Nice bulky handle, and again, very soft. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to use them right away, because you guys know how I like to just look at them and stuff. So, and they've already been here probably for a week now. I was just waiting to do a video. So that's a large powder brush, and I'll get out some of the eye brushes. Here's an eye brush. Get it out. Very soft. I mean, I haven't used them yet, but very soft. I like them. And a nice length. Like some of my brushes I have are quite short, like maybe half the size up to here. This is a nice length to give a nice coverage there. So yeah, I haven't opened all of them. I don't know if I'll keep them in this packaging or not, but yeah, once I use them, then I'll undo all of them. But here's another one. I just can't believe how soft they are. You're probably wondering, why do you have so many brushes? But as I said before, I have my brushes from, you know, the cheaper places, and the ones that have broken. I showed you ones that broke before, and I have to get rid of those. And so when I get rid of brushes, I have to get a few more. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I do really still like my Makeup by Mario brushes. I use them and I put them in a different container. Here they are. And it's just, they have their own container now, so I just put them in a glass container with a small chrome top. And these are, I've used them more now because I've had them now for a while. And yes, I still use them. I like them. I still like the heaviness of these. And I washed them and it all turned out well. Like, I just washed them, I think 2 days ago, and they look really good. Like, you can hardly tell I've used them. So those are my everyday brushes. And then I have other brushes that I use. It was my mirror. How come everything falls when I do videos? Then I have these other brushes that I use here and there, and I have, of course, my red ones by Quo. Remember these that I still use, but I use some here and there. I don't use them all at the same time, obviously. Otherwise, I'd have tons of brushes to wash. But yeah, so I'm slowly growing my brush collection, and looking forward to seeing what other brushes are. It's just interesting to see how each brush works, even though like it might be, you might have like 4 powder brushes, right? But they all look different. And for example, let me try to find you here 4. Okay, just give me a sec. So here is my Quo powder brush, which I do use sometimes, so you can see the powder coming off of it. This is my Makeup by Mario brush. As you see, they're different lengths, different heights. Here, you can see. And the head is different roundness, a little bit, same shape, but different feel on both. Not that one's better than the other, but this is a little softer. This is a bit thicker. And I have this one that I don't know who made. And it's like a rose petal. I dry it that way. And I use that as well. Probably every day I use this. And it's the cheapest brush. I don't even know where I got it. And then of course, I have the new powder brush in here that I just unwrapped. Let's see how it fares with the other ones. So it's still a tiny little guy. Probably the same size as the Makeup by Mario brushes. As you see here, a little bit longer. But so these are, it's very soft. Probably softer than this. I can't believe you can have something softer than that. But very nice, synthetic. And then compared to my Quo brush, almost the same size. So it's just a bit bigger. And let's feel. Oh yeah. Feels nice, really soft. So yeah, I can't wait to start using these Sigma brushes. The only brushes I don't have any of are MAC, and I know those are very good too. I probably won't be buying any more brushes for a while because you know, I want to try these and continue with these. So yeah, we'll see how this goes with the Sigma collection. And you can go on their website to see, they have different brush sets, so to see what kind you would like to purchase. I want to use them first, and then I will suggest if you know how they work and stuff for me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that, as well as I did get some stuff from Wish, and I'll show you quick. I probably will not use these. I'll probably sell them because I got a good brand here, and I don't know much about these, so I'll probably sell these, but they're really cute. I'll get them out for you. they're just really pretty, and I don't know how they work, but these were quite, I mean, this one wasn't cheap. I can't get them all because there's so many, but they're really pretty. And if you're interested in buying these, just message me. But here they are. Very cute. Yeah, I don't know. If no one messages me, I might just keep them and put them on display. The brushes are very soft. Actually very well made. It's not a dollar store brush at all. And they're really pretty. Here you go. I bought a whole bunch of brushes to see how, you know, if I would like to use them or not, or what they look like. I bought more of the expensive brushes, not the cheap ones. So yeah, it's very, I think that would be a good eye to use over your eye here. Just really cute. So I bought a ton of brushes, but I haven't used them. And I think with all the brushes I'm getting here, that I'll either sell these or just display them on the back of my makeup room here. This is probably maybe a powder or a blush brush. Not been used. So there's those, and then I also have, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. I'll keep them in the plastic. And then I have these other ones here that I haven't used yet. Why did I order so many? I don't know. But let's just see what they look like. So there's probably 17 of these, I think. This is probably the powder brush. And they have like a crystal handle. It doesn't have much weight to it, I'll be honest with you. But they're pretty. More of a crystal thing, and the tips are all white. The brushes are all white, whereas the other ones were blue. So there's quite a few of them, all different sizes. This one would be for eyeshadow. Sure, it's hard to hold these, but so they're all the same. This one would be for eyeshadow, and it's a light hold. Okay, I do have some more coming that look like mermaid brushes. I just wanted to see what they were like, but I think I won't try these out just because I want to try my other ones out, and I guess you can have too many brushes. I don't know. Here's another one. This is probably for, oh, it's very soft. Look, you can hardly tell that. It's really pretty though, eh? So yeah, I think I'll be selling these for $25 a set. This one has more in it than the other one. Here's the other one here. And it has more of a purple brush, purple and white, and then it has the blue and purple handle. I also have some mermaid ones coming soon, or whenever they come. But these took a long time, so I'll just leave them. I'll probably post them on Facebook for sale, and if you want them, message me right away because I only have these 2 sets right now. I know I have a mermaid one coming in soon. So anyway, that's my brush thing for the day, and I'm looking forward to using my Sigma. And if I get any more brushes, I'll tell you, but I like to use things for a while before I purchase more. So I have my Makeup by Mario brushes, and I have these, and then the other ones I showed you, some of the ones I have from way back, I'm probably going to get rid of because I bought brushes for a reason, right? So they're running a bit haggard, and so I thought, yep, I'll just get some more, and hopefully these will last me a long time. So hope you like this video. I'll do another makeup video soon. I've just been busy. And it's been a little crazy here, as it's probably been where you live, and trying to buy toilet paper and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not worried. I have my toilet paper, I have a little bit of hand sanitizer, and you know, we have soap and water. I mean, just have a bath a lot. Bath or a shower or whatever, and wash your hands a lot. And don't be afraid. Have some peace in your heart for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.